Hello friends, today I'll demonstrate you how to install Mosquito Gravid trap passive kind. The passive Gravid trap doesn't require any lighting system or the external power system or battery to collect the mosquito samples. The passive trap consists of the four parts: the bottom, the dark container, and then the middle transparent, and then top funnel that lets the mosquitoes in. The bottom container can hold any kind of attractant, the mosquito attractant can be placed. Here in this case, actually, that attractant actually should able to be placed inside the water, that should be able to dissolve into the water. In this case, we have used the natural attractant like the dry leaves, the bark, the plant parts, other twigs, or any the other dry plant parts. After 3 or 4 days, those start acts as an attractant. The inside the Gravid trap, we place the sticky trap. That sticky trap is actually resistant to the water, so you can repeatedly use the sticky trap by just replacing the sticker. You can also use the oil actually to capture the sample. The oil need to be applied into the transparent container. So the thicker oil will let mosquitoes stick into the surface while they try to exit the trap. Thank you for watching.